Changing lifestyles are making chronic diseases an urgent priority. Superbugs are threatening patients in hospitals across the world. Many countries lack doctors and nurses. With health systems under increasing pressure, what innovations are needed today and tomorrow? And who's going to foot the bill for those innovations? The past 15 years have moved the needle somewhat when it comes to global health, but much important business remains unfinished. What's more, many countries have the double whammy of old communicable diseases and new chronic ones. The international community needs to make sure that the health issue remains a priority for the next decade. We'll discuss what innovative solutions are needed to make our future healthier, why they should be part of modern healthcare systems wherever you live, and which players will be the main drivers. In an increasingly globalized and interconnected world, it's important to make sure all players work together for the common good and ensure that everyone can equally access the fruits of innovation.